Fat White Cat, I have to go do stuff today. You're going to have to go. I know you're fluffy and white.
Like a cloud.
Hmm.
Like a big fluffy cloud.
Grunt. So I don't know that I've mentioned yet. Today is October 20th. Got done with breakfast, made breakfast pizza this morning. It was okay. I didn't add any seasoning to the gravy, even though I should have. And I think I should have let the crust bake a little bit longer. I mean, it was edible, but I don't think I did a very good job. It's okay though. Got up at 7:30 this morning. It's really cold out today. It's kind of breezy. It was nice and warm yesterday, even though it was breezy, but today is just bitter cold, even though the sky is nice and clear. I tried. What are you finding?
They have lots of tools.
I like tools. Look, a wire brush.
Wire brush. Oh, yeah. You have to ask them prices because they don't have anything marked.
Oh. I want to look around more first.
What is it?
It's a KVM switch. It lets you plug multiple computers into it at once.
It's $1. You can get it if it's only $1.
Okay.
Whatever.
It's really old KVM. It lets you control multiple computers with one keyboard and mouse.
Okay.
They also hate working on cruisers because you break one thing and the other thing breaks.
They have a hammer holding open their door.
That's so metal. Sure that's a hammer?
It's a hammer. I don't even know what I want. Actually, they got a menu up here too. I know what I'm getting.
You know what you're getting?
Yeah, I'm gonna try something different this time. I'm gonna do a slush.
Hi. Hello.
Hello. I'm gonna do a large leche slush.
What do you want? I'll take a large blue galaxy.
Thank you so much. I don't know why I'm shaking mine. There's nothing to shake. It's solid slush.
Solid slush. You shake it because there's a wedge there.
There's a step there, bud. Cold stuff on a cold day. Is there anything better?
Hot stuff on a hot day.
Yeah, but that's actually good. People eat spicy stuff when it's hot all the time.
Have you had Firehouse subs?
No.
You want to try Firehouse subs?
Are you offering?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's either that or Ring Street.
Ring Street. Huh. I'm sure I could find a meat sub to eat. Having one of those in the shop looks really cool. Oh, check out the awesome bottle.
Medium, and large.
First time at Firehouse Subs. Josh and I both got the Firehouse pub steak. I got mine on white. He got his on wheat, and he also got jalapenos.
Jalapeno.
So we'll see how this is.
So far, really good. I mean,
Well, it's got cheese on it. It's got cheese on it, so I'll probably like it.
Beer cheese. It's not Subway, and I think that's probably the best part about it. It's not Subway.
I like Subway.
I like Subway too, don't get me wrong. It's just, Subway just gets old after a while, and this is a brand new take on something.
Well, I'm gonna give it a try. That's not bad.
Tuesday, the Mega Million was 6 something, and then Wednesday, after the Mega Million got done, it went up to like 868, and by Friday, it was $1 billion.
Yeah, isn't that something?
And now it's $1.6 billion.
God.
So it's $1,600,000,000.
Oh,
We couldn't even handle it. We wouldn't know how to spend it.
no, now we'll spend it.
If you guys like the video, please give it a like and subscribe for more content like this. I also post other tutorials and how-to videos and just other general neat little oddball stuff on the Variety channel. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.